After watching this video, you learn to make your own custom-made El Grande Americano. Hey guys, I'm your TTA aka Anand. Let's turn the American-made chat gable into El Grande Americano. Shall we? Start with the tissue paper for the base for the mask. Tape it down so it stays put. Then cover the head with a white tape. It's easy to remove later and won't stick to Gable's face. I use tape on top of the tissue so I can remove it effortlessly. Now cut down the tissues hanging outside the mask. Cut out the mouth area. Also give a small white tape on his chin. Add red stickers for stripes. You have to cut few of them so it looks like this. And use the same blue sticker from Gable's attire. Once happy with the design, seal it with the clear tape to keep it secure. Cut out the remaining sections. Add gold sticker and draw the mask design with a red CD marker. To prevent sticking, tape the back of the sticker, shape it like an eagle, perfect for El Grande. Add white tape for the eyes. After cutting his pieces, this looks like the shape of an eagle, and gently place it to the mask. To complete the mask design, create a custom American-made logo on its forehead, or you can cut a decal. Use white paper tab placed near the transparent sheet or something that doesn't stick permanently. Sketch the logo with a pencil, trace over it with some CD markers, cut out the shape and stick it directly into the mask forehead. Finish with star details using a white pen and a blue marker. Then seal everything with a clear tape. Okay, before taping it, don't forget the nose, because I just did. Okay, now you can sellotap it and protect all the details you just created with your hands. And cut the unwanted pieces for more clarity. Use paper with red marker lines. It doesn't matter which brand you're using, it just needs to be red. After drawing it, you can sellotap it, cut to the shape, and apply to the boots with precise cuttings, leaving gap between them. And when you wrap around his boot, it gives you the illusion of a feather-like structure. And to hold it together, you can use the cello tab and you can take it out when you don't need it. Look how realistic it turned out to be. And for the knee pads, you can use a slightly similar method for it. You do as you see. If you want, you can hold it with the red insulation tab. And you can use few more inches for the singlet pieces. And like always, you can hold them using a transparent cello tab and you can remove it whenever you want or feel like. And look how beautiful it turned out to be. It's so satisfying to touch it with your fingers. And that's what she said. And there we have it, the El Grande Americano, the best custom of 2025. WWE edition. The mask was the most worked piece of art, but the rest is easy if you already have a Chad Gable action figure. I see El Grande as Gable's alter ego, then a complete random luchador. His paper feathers are so smooth when touched. Or you can play with it all day, if you can. And the articulation for this custom is perfect for his in-ring moveset. To be honest, it turned out better than expected. Now I can switch between Gable and El Grande whenever I want. Now let's compare what was before and after the attire effect. Both look nearly identical. Is Gable behind the mask? You decide. But we all know who's really behind the mask. It's Kurt Angle, isn't it? And until next time. Let me change Chad Gable into El Grande Americano real quick, shall we?